sPACYcLOUD is based in Adams Morgan, DC. We are a vegetarian restaurant, skate shop, art gallery, coffee shop, community space, and so much more. We are women-owned, single mom-owned, and immigrant-owned.
Hi, my name is Tati, and I'm founder of sPACYcLOUD. So welcome to sPACYcLOUD. I'm going to show you around. So this is our coffee shop and our bar area. This is our skate shop right here.
We support the DC community by providing a safe space for artists and skateboarders to create and skate. sPACYcLOUD is a platform for local artists to showcase and sell their art. We also feed the community with healthy, vegetarian, Eastern European options. We enable creativity through hosting virtual, for now, events such as painting sessions, socially distanced skate lessons, computer programming workshops, and more. We also empower women through action sports by hosting female-focused skate clinics and competitions and manage local social media networks for girl skateboarders. The funds raised could help us pay for our rent, utilities, bills, and employee salaries. We would be honored for Vans to foot the bill so we can sustain our business and continue to support our community through art, skating, wellness, and more.
Democracy. Yeah, I got more records than the KGB. So no funny business. You already are.
Thank you for visiting us.
Bye! That'll be good.